Jai Srimanarayana. 50th sloka of 11th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Ityarjunam Vasudevaha Tadhoktva Svakam Rupam Darsayamasa भूयः आश्वासयामास च भीतमेनं भूत्वा पुनः सौम्यवपुः महात्मा Om. Whenever your mind is agitated and whenever your mind is filled up with anxiety by witnessing terrifying aspects of this world, just remember, just visualize the most pleasant form of Sri Krishna Paramatma and be devoted to Him. Pray Sri Krishna Paramatma. For you to get comfort, for you to get peace of mind. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, come to me, surrender to me alone. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, Oh Krishna, O Srimanarayana, whenever I feel that my mind is filled up with anxiety by witnessing terrifying aspects of this world, I shall definitely remember your most pleasant form and pray to you to get peace of mind. O Krishna, O Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. I shall not cry. Srimanarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your heart. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanopetamapeta-krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamo Dasamaskandhamu 10th Skandham 202nd day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Sri Krishna Paramatma made himself so many Gopalas, so many baby cows, and he took their forms which are just resembling as it is. Not only that, Krishna Paramatma became the cow driving sticks which were held by all those Gopalas. Krishna Paramatma became those instruments which were played by those Gopalas. Krishna Paramatma became that many flutes. Krishna Paramatma became that many food boxes that were brought by those Gopalas. Yavat Vibhusha Ambaram Yavat Sila Guna Abhidha Akrutavayaha. All the garments those boys were wearing, all the ornaments those boys were wearing, all their nature, all their qualities, all those boys' habits, all the names of those boys, all the shapes of those boys, and all those ages of those boys, and tastes of those boys, place of those boys, everything. Krishna Paramatma himself became that many as it is. And however it was before Chaturmukha Brahma hid all of them, now it is looking just like that. With that, Sarvam Vishnumayam Jagat, Samagra Jagat Vishnumayam. This entire universe is pervaded by Vishnu. That was the Vedic fact. Now Krishna Paramatma showing that in very clear way that he is everywhere. And he became that many forms. Rupambulella nagu bahurupakudu. ఇటు బాలవత్స రూపంబులతో నేపారుటేమి చోద్యము రూపింపగనతనికి ఇతర రూపము కలదే. Paramatma, Krishna Paramatma is Sakshat Sriman-Narayana who made this entire Srishti and who is existing in each and every entity as an Antaryami. For such Supreme Paramatma, Sri Krishna, becoming this many Gopalas and baby cows is not a big deal for him. There is no any shocking and surprising in this aspect. Like that Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishno Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarasitravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 11th chapter 50th sloka. Ityarjunam Vasudevaha tadhoktva svakam rupam darshayamasa bhuyaha. Asvasayamasa cha bhitamenam bhutva punah saumya vapurmahatma. Ityarjunam Vasudevaha tadhoktva svakam rupam darshayamasa bhuyaha. Asvasayamasa cha bhitamenam bhutva punah saumya vapurmahatma. Sriman Narayana करिष्ये वचनं तव। सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु। जय श्रीमन्नारायण।